So first you want to start off by drawing your template onto the foam, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. And you can just find this template just by searching up rounded squared template onto Google. So next you want to start cutting this out. So here is what the shape looks like so far. So now what you want to do is you want to start rounding it off. So you just want to take your scissors and just start making really small cuts like this. And you also want to do the same for the other side. So I'm just going to finish that and then I'll show you what to do next. So here is what it looks like after I finish smoothing off the shape. So next what I did was I used these two templates here which I drew myself, and I traced them onto the foam. And by the way, you do not have to do this, you can just paint them on later if you want. But this is just how I'm going to make mine. So next you want to start cutting these out. Okay, so here's what they look like after I finished cutting them out, and as you can see I've already rounded off this one. So what you want to do is you just want to start making small cuts just like this. And you want to make sure that they are the same thickness. So you just want to basically keep smoothing it off until it looks kind of like this one. So I'm just going to finish that. So here is what the final shape looks like. And I think it turned out really good. And again, like I said before, you don't have to make the swirls separately, you can just paint them on if you want. So now we can start painting it. So next what I did was I glued on the two swirl shapes. Then I painted the square white. so now let's move on to... So next what I did was I painted one of the swirls orange and the other one a dark blue. And I think it's turning out really good. So now you just want to let this dry and then we can move on to the final step. So here's the squishy once it is all dry. And I'm really happy with it. So now this last step is optional, but if you want to add the clear plastic that is over it, you just want to take one of these clear plastic leaflets, and you also need your scissors and some tape, and you just want to cut it to fit the squishy. So basically just like that. And you also want to, cut off this part as well. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you the final thing. So here it is once I put it in the packaging. And it's not actually this squishy, it's just the packaging that's making it like that. And sorry about the packaging noises if that bothers you. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I ended up just folding the packaging over and just taping it so then I can just easily open it and take the squishy out. But again, you do not have to make the packaging for it. And I think it looks quite similar to the real thing. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please feel free to request more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.